19 has your y already. Y equals negative x squared over 6. And then we have t equals x minus 1. And then they've given us these parameters on x. So I go ahead and do my parameters first, because my parameters now are going to be on t, my new ones. So I'm going to take that negative 6 and plug it in. So t, if I plug in a negative 6, is going to equal negative 7. And plug in the positive 6. If I have a positive 6, that's a 1. It's going to be 5. So my parameters are going to go from negative 7 to 5. Parameters are done. Okay? Now I'm going to do everything else the same. I'm going to get the x by itself. So I'm going to add that over. X equals t plus 1. That's one of them. X with a t. Then I'm going to use this guy to set my y up with a t. So I'm going to plug that in for x. So y equals negative, and instead of x squared, that's not to the 6, that would be gross, t plus 1 squared over 6. And then I'm just going to simplify him. FOIL that, right? So we take the t plus 1 and we FOIL it. We get t squared plus 2 times t plus 1. So I now have a negative. Okay, it's all over 6. The only thing they did is they just put each one over 6. That's how they simplified it, okay? So we have, and distribute that negative. So we have a negative t squared over 6, right? Negative, because we distribute the negative, 2 times t over 6, and a negative 1 over 6, okay? And then the last thing we want to do is we want to reduce it, okay? So this one can't reduce, negative t squared over 6. This does reduce. This does not reduce. So I have my y in terms of t, my x in terms of t, and my parameter.
Okay.